Good day everyone. So our topic is heating and humidifying. So our primary one is never given an initial dry bulb temperature 21 degrees 20 Celsius and our initial relative humidity is 40%. So the final DBT is T2 is 1 to 30 Celsius and our atmospheric pressure is 101.32 332 25 kPa. So our solution is initial air properties H R equals to W1 is 0.006 kilogram of water and kilogram of air over per kilogram of air. So H1 is 38 kilojoules over kilogram of air. And our final air properties we have HR is equals to W2 is equals to 0.012 kilogram of water per kilogram of air. So H2 is 65 kilojoules per kilogram of air. So the solution is we have Q equals to H2 minus H1. Q is equals to 65 minus 38 equals 57 kilojoules per kilogram of air. So our delta W is equals to W2 minus W1. Delta W is equals 0.012 minus 0.006 equals to 0.006 kilogram of water per kilogram of air. So ang problem nito is air enters heating and humidifying unit at DBT of 80 Celsius in our RH of 35%. The air leaves the unit at the DBT of 30 Celsius with a humidity ratio of 0.012 kg of water vapor per kilogram of dry air. So our required is to be known as the initial humidity ratio of the air. And number 2 is the amount of moisture added during the process. So our solution is matutag sa chart ato ng 18 DBT 18 Celsius of DBT of 30 and 35% of relative humidity. Nakuha na ito ang W1 equals to 0.005 kg of water per kilogram of air. And our enthalpy, kita yung natin ito, 32 kg per kilojoules per kilogram of air. And our final HR equals to W2 equals 0.012 kg of water per kilogram of air. So our final enthalpy H2 equals to 62 kg and per kilogram of air. So our delta W equals W2 minus W1. We have 0.012 minus 0.005 equals 0.006. So answer na to is 0.007 kilogram of water over kilogram of air. So our delta H, we have H2 minus H1. So delta H equals 62 minus 32. We have 35 kilojoules per kilogram of air.